morning. Time for a real fireside coffee chat. So, Saturday, I think it's about 7 o'clock or something like that. I got up for a while earlier, hung out for a little bit, got sleepy, went back to bed. So I thought I'd come out and make a little fire and warm my hands and excuse me. So I'm really surprised that I haven't seen anybody around. Every once in a while I'll get an alien transport vehicle come through here. Usually 3 or 4 of them will go by, and maybe a while later they'll come back, you know. But that's it. There's a nice campsite right over there. Probably, I don't know, a couple 100 yards away, I guess. But people go, you know, they go by and look at it, and they just leave. So that's fine. I mean, I'm not into having people all around. I'm perfectly happy being all by myself, you know. Got a pretty nice little coal thing going there. Might try to cook something in a bit. I don't know. Maybe not. Not really hungry. So I'm just kind of hanging out. Not a lot to say. Nothing's changed much, so just sit here by the fire and enjoy it. Get these rocks getting warm right here, and I can put my feet up on them. Makes it nice and warm on my toes. Sun's just coming up a little. It was red this morning, and I mean it was red. I didn't think about getting the camera out and show that, but well, it's too late now. But supposed to get a little bit of wind today, somewhere between 15 and 20 miles per hour sustained. So I'm going to have to put the telescope away in the truck, and so it doesn't get blown over, you know. Speaking of telescope, I did get the camera out, the Astro camera, and I got a couple of good shots of the moon, but it was already light. You can still see the moon fine, but the sun was already up, so it come out kind of grainy a little bit. You know, I'm just learning. Learning what not to do and what you can get away with, you know how that goes. That it works in life too, you know. So at the end of this video, this little coffee chat video, I'll put that up. You guys stick around to watch that. Got any suggestions? I'm always up for suggestions. Constructive criticism is good. It's just a little short one. It was just a straight capture, so I was constantly having to adjust the telescope. You know, the moon, it doesn't, you know, go up, over, and then down. It goes up this way. So as the Earth spins, well, actually the moon doesn't do anything. As the Earth spins, it makes it look like it does that. So I have to keep constantly adjusting the telescope to keep it in frame. Some of you might know that. Some of you might not have known that, but now you do. So as soon as I can get a little more practice in, I'll start doing, you know, snapshots, you know, and then you do a bunch of them, and then they call what's called stacking, and it should clear things up a lot, and it doesn't move when that happens. I don't have to move the telescope. Another thing you might notice too is that just a little touch on the telescope causes the, you know, it to shake. But it was kind of fun anyway. You know, get me. I got a little TV table. Put the laptop on, and then I'll get a little stool so I can sit down and I can still reach, you know, the slow motion controls and all that on the telescope. I hope y'all can hear me. This, you know, it's the GoPro camera, so I don't have the adapter for the lapel mic and all that. Well, looks like the fire's about to go out. So I think what I'm going to do is just go inside, back in the tent. Get this up. Make a bunch of smoke. Yeah, I think that's it for now.